Hi everyone, welcome to Cook's Travels, my channel. I'm gonna show you today how to make one of the great aioli sauce. To have nice aioli sauce, you need to have really good homemade mayonnaise sauce. I will show you how to make mayonnaise sauce now. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Main ingredients are eggs, oil, Dijon mustard, vinegar, salt and pepper. Let's get started. I'm gonna make it for maybe just like 8 people. Most people make it with whole eggs. I'm gonna use it with only the egg yolks because it's much flavory, tasty, delicious. This type of sauces is pretty fun to make it because it's easy. Not many ingredients goes in. So it's just taste the sauces. It takes only 2 or 3 minutes to make it. And the last egg yolk is going to our white bowl for preparation. Beautiful. Dijon mustard. 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard goes in. And about 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Time to whisk. You can use food processor in kitchens, but let's say you don't have it in our bacon somewhere. So this is the look like eggs, vinegar and Dijon mustards. Just chop it up and start mixing it. Will take time. You're gonna force yourself. Color will be fully golden color. Now I'll be adding vegetable oil. Some people add olive oil too, half. All up to you, whatever you have it. Now very slowly I'll be adding it. Don't put all of them in once. As you see, it's getting thicker now. Just make sure before you start, get your oil equipment enough size for the amount of the mayo you're gonna make. When you watch it, so beautiful, creamy. Mayo is getting ready, but we're gonna add more than half of it. It will take 3 minutes whisking. It's nearly doubling in size. Look at here. As much as you whisk perfectly, you will get the right texture. I'll be testing it. Nearly there. A little bit more oil. Again, slowly just pour the oil in. If you're not happy with the texture of the mayo, you can add a little bit warm water. It's nearly done. I'll add salt and pepper later on. If you season in beginning, it's not good for oil and eggs. It can split. Look at this. I'm gonna show off the texture of it now. Look at this. This is what I need. This is actual mayo. Now I'll do seasoning, salt and pepper. Beautiful. Now we'll see the texture of it. I'll show you. How creamy is that? This is actual mayonnaise sauce, homemade. We got the texture, taste, color, all ready for serve. Our mayonnaise sauce is ready. This is the mayonnaise sauce I want to have, homemade. Just made it up. And this is only the garlic cloves. We're gonna use about 4 of them. How do I make it? We cook it. There are 2 options for you. you boil it, or alternatively you can fry it or deep fry. I'm gonna use boiling method today to make it just a little bit more healthier. I'm planning to make it a small amount of it, so only 4 cloves is gonna be enough for me. In boiling water, I'll throw those in and we'll wait for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes now, so it's time to take them out. You see, it's just boiled, beautifully cooked. Now we're gonna chop it out and crush it. Because it's been cooked now, it's really easy to cut it. Rough chopping. Fully. You can use aioli sauce for any kind of chips and seafood. This is our mayonnaise. And I'll add garlic. You can sprinkle on it, so it's easier to mix it up. All up to you. You can add some salt and peppers extra, but I already add when I was making the mayo. So there's a salt and pepper and garlic in. We'll mix it up. Mayo with garlic makes aioli sauce. And of course, end of the process, we're gonna have a test. So see, look at this. Beautiful aioli sauce. And now, as usual, we need to have a test. Yeah, that's it. Garlic and mayo makes beautiful aioli sauce. Thank you very much. See you in next video.